Hey man, get away from me.
All right, coming up next, a matchup to determine the baddest man on the planet. The UFC heavyweight title is on the line. Well, for a long time, he's been mentioned with the baddest men on the planet. For a long time, though, the title fight eluded him. Not anymore. Here he is, the #1 heavyweight contender, finally making this walk and cracking a smile. He's waited a long time for this. He's not expecting a 25-minute war. He believes he has the power and the skills to get this thing done quickly. I guess we'll find out.
As he makes his way towards his cage, he believes this is his time. He believes he is destined to take this title. His preparation for this bout has gone absolutely according to plan. He's in fantastic shape with a great game plan, and he expects to walk out of this cage tonight as the new champion.
All right, so here he is making his way to the octagon for another heavyweight title defense. This has been the baddest man on the planet now for several years, and he has taken on all comers more often than not, leaving them twitching on the canvas, knockout power for days. The question is tonight, with a challenge like this, can he walk out the way he came in as the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion of the world?
The champion headed to the cage right now is in the groove. He is in his prime right now. His training for this bout has been perfect. He believes he has a solid game plan, and he's ready to step in here and retain his title. He is well prepared for this contest.
Our tail of the tape for this, our main event of the evening. Overeem is 11 years the elder. He weighed in at 265 pounds. He will have a 6-inch reach advantage. Here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. When the action begins, our referee in charge, Mario Yamasaki. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. Live from the sold-out United Center in Chicago, Illinois. It's time! 5 round for the undisputed UFC Heavyweight Championship of the world. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a mixed martial artist with a professional record of 69 wins, 27 losses, and 1 no contest. He stands 6 feet 4 inches tall, weighing in at 265 pounds. Fighting out of Amsterdam, the Netherlands, presenting the challenger, Alistair Overeem. And now introducing the champion, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a Muay Thai kickboxer and jiu-jitsu fighter, holding a professional record of 22 wins, 2 losses. He stands 6 feet tall, weighing in at 210 pounds. Fighting out of Moscow, Russia, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the reigning, defending, undisputed UFC heavyweight champion of the world, Big Train.
All right, this is for the championship bout. I want you guys to do a clean fight. Follow my orders at all times. Defend yourself at all times. Good luck tonight. Touch gloves.
All right, here we go. I am fired up for this fight. It's been a long time coming, and they're finally going to get after it.
Here we go. First round. You ready? You ready?
All right, here we go. UFC heavyweight title on the line. This should be good. Well, what a championship outing it was for him the last time around. A win by...
Whoa! Oh! Kick to the face! Oh! Big knee! He's hurt! Nice leg kick.
He's got him hurt here.
This is crazy! Oh my goodness! Body kick, look at that. Good uppercut. Oh, whipped him again. He's hurt. He's hurt. He is in deep danger right now. Deep danger. The champ is in deep danger here. He's really hurt, and he is going to lose his title if he can't recover.
Beautiful sequence of strikes there. Nice
Kicked him
combination.
in the face. This fight is dangerously close to being stopped.
He's got him hurt here.
Oh, very nice. Oh, what a leg kick. He gets the tie clinch again.
Big body shot.
To the body.
That knee might have landed there. Changes his stance. You'll see a lot of this from this fighter.
Inside leg kick.
Landed that one.
And there's a single attempt. And he grabs a single. Slides him over, and nice reversal here. Now he moves to full guard.
Tags him with the left. Postures up now and lands a vicious head strike.
Still working this ground and pound. Good punches. He's got a nice snap to that leg kick. Very nice. Oh! He is clearly in big, big trouble here. Oh! Oh, my goodness. That's it. He's out. He's out.
Wow. Wow.
Perfectly placed strike to end the fight.
Yeah, Joe, a near-perfect strike to end the fight and end the night for his opponent, who candidly may not have even seen that shot coming. So just the way he drew it up, exactly what he told us during fight week, played out here on fight night. He found a little opening in his opponent's defense and barged right through it to get the big knockout win.
And here it is again. Crank right on the jaw.
So the celebration is on for the UFC heavyweight champion of the world, the baddest man on the planet, and your winner, yes, by knockout here tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki is called to stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 28 seconds in the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, and still the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion of the world, Big Man.
So there is the man they are all still chasing in the UFC heavyweight champion, the undisputed king of the big boys, getting it done here tonight by way of the knockout. And his corner is absolutely thrilled with the effort and the result here tonight. He was measured, and when there was an opportunity to seize the finish, he certainly steamrolled right through it. Congratulations to the still UFC heavyweight champion of the world.
Darling, I see that you're dangerous. Got a lot of dues for a place in. I stay true to the statements. We should go wild and enjoy the acquaintance. Wanna give you the keys to the cars that I don't have when I built you a core. Take any charge that they give you in court. Do anything just to feel the alarm. Jesus, they charge. She got a bump that defies all laws. I could reach within 18 yards. Type of candy that don't dissolve. Jesus, they charge. All her contacts filled with stars. I'ma take her to this club, but she got danger to us all. Danger, we going out. Me and you, just a party or two right now. Danger, we going out. Me and you gonna make this spot shut down.
Tell me what you want with a body. Looking like a sip of a lot of mama, keep it like a head of I'm lava. Danger, the hips of a stranger. See you, gonna make you rearrange. What you wanna, then I'm